Crushing Tigers John out the wires today, highlighting the usages of the Portafill Trommel 4000. In the coverage here you can see it making 3/4 inch minus topsoil and bedding material for oversized green waste. This machine is ideal for recycling green waste, producing compost, mulch and topsoil to be used in the landscaping industry. The features of this machine include a self-cleaning drum action which also can be quickly changed to screen different fractions. The Portafill Trommel has a hydraulically folding wing and product conveyors for easy setup and teardown, with easy access to engine and hydraulics for servicing and maintenance. For further information, please contact John on 512-585-8161. Email John at crushingtigers.com.